Hello and welcome back to Hall 9 at the K 2022. I wanted you to all see this amazing stand from Erema. Dr. Collin, sorry.
Not a problem, Ben.
Dr. Boya, there's a lot going on here at the stand. Many different divisions represented. I don't know if you can do it in 2 minutes, but what are you presenting here at the K 2022?
I will do my very best to do it in 2 minutes. We are the world market leader for plastics recycling technologies. The Erema Group, we are 8 companies, you have seen our booth, and I would say we have been waiting for this show for 40 years now, because it's the first time that recycling is in the focus of the whole industry. And this is important, because recycling must be, in the future, must be an integral part of the plastic industry, and
Where do you see the present situation with recycling technology and the solutions it provides to the market? Where do you see the strengths, what's working really well, and what needs to be improved in the future from companies like yours?
I mean, we are a technology provider. Yeah? So we have the technologies for the different recycling applications, and there are many of them. Yeah? You have the post-consumer recycling, the production waste recycling, the PET recycling, and the important part and enabler is also the digitalization part. So we go from a niche to a must-have, which means it needs a high availability of the machines and of the technologies. That's why we have, for example, also in our customer online, on our online portal, the so-called spare parts online shop, where we can order spare parts quickly and fast, and so guarantee the availability of the machines, and to do this is important, to do recycling on an industrial scale. Let's put it like this. Yeah.
So really, it is a capacity issue more than a technology issue of sorting and washing and making available.
Absolutely, it's about capacity, about installing all the infrastructure, not only extrusion but also sorting, washing. Yes, that's a key factor that we have to implement as an industry and as a society in the next, years. But there is a lot of things going on, and there is a big drive which makes me really confident that the sustainable use of plastics will be possible in the future.
Great. Dr. Boya, thanks for finding the time to speak with us at an absolutely full stand, and for your positive words about the future. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you very much, Ben. Have a good show. Bye.
And moving on here, gotta move, always keeping moving. It's good to hear his positive messaging about it not necessarily being a technology issue at this point. It's simply capacity building. It just needs to be implemented, needs to be accepted, needs to be driven forward. We're here at the stand of Collins. They are here demonstrating specifically a workflow, a new system. Please introduce yourself and what you're actually presenting at the K 2022.
Hello, welcome to our booth. My name is Fritz Kastner. I'm the Managing Director of Collin Lab and Pilot Solutions. And we are presenting here at the show at the end 3 topics. First of all, behind me, a 5-layer blown film line, which is optimized for post-consumer recycling materials and also new materials like metallocene. 5 layers, 1 twin screw compounder to add additives and other extruders. Then we are presenting roll mills and presses which are optimized for the development of lithium-ion batteries. So the roll mill is the working horse for the development, but we are not only supplying lines to develop the batteries, also lines to manufacture batteries. And last but not least, a strand line which is optimized for the production of filaments, for FDM filaments for 3D printing, and which is capable not of course here at the show, but it's been capable to run 200 meters per minute.
Wow, okay, great capacity.
Yeah, great capacity, and I think that's brand new, and we're the only company which can achieve these speeds right now.
Congratulations on that. That's good to hear. And you, sir, introduce yourself and then just go right into telling us why it's important for Collins to be here at the K and your experience about the show so far this year.
Okay, my name is Collin Verstraeten. I'm the sales director of Collin Lab and Pilot Solutions. And of course, the K show is the biggest show in the world where we can present our newest development with controls, with machinery, And like I said, the most important show to present, like I said, the new roll mill for the batteries, which is a hot topic, recycling, PCR recycling on our machines. And we are very glad that the show has started so well. The first 2 days were magnificent, and I hope it will continue like that.
Yeah, as does everyone else. Gentlemen, thank you for joining us today for a very clear description of what you're offering and a positive look at the show. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So there it is. Once again, more positive impressions from the K this year. There's been a lot of changes in the market, in raw material acquisition, with the pandemic, changes in tastes and consumers. Everybody here is very positive. The future looks bright. We're going to keep reporting from the show this year. Stay with us, or better yet, come to Dusseldorf yourself. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.